你好，欢迎来到芝加哥医学中心。
Bienvenue à l'Université de Chicago.
أهلا بكم في المكتب الدولي التابع لمستشفى جامعة شيكاغو.
Γεια σας, καλώς ορίσατε στην ιατρική U Chicago. Ελπίζω να έχετε μια καλή στιγμή εδώ. ευχαριστώ.
안녕하십니까. 시카고대학병원에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
Hola, bienvenidos al Centro Médico de la Universidad de Chicago.
Welcome to U Chicago Medicine International Programs, and thank you for choosing the University of Chicago Medical Center for your care. At U Chicago Medicine, we are advancing the forefront of healthcare every day and shaping modern medicine with innovative discoveries. We also serve hundreds of patients from more than 75 countries around the world every year. This program provides you with practical information about how to prepare for your trip to Chicago and what to expect during your stay with U Chicago Medicine. We understand the stress associated with illness, particularly when treatment is received outside of one's home country. Our goal is to make the process as easy as possible so you can focus on your treatment and recovery. Prior to your departure for Chicago, our guest services team and your assigned care coordinator will initiate a welcome call in order to introduce you to our services for international patients. Through the welcome call, we will gather additional information to support your travel preparation. Chicago has a distinct 4 seasons. Please check the weather in advance of your departure and prepare your clothing accordingly. Please be sure to bring all your medical records, translated into English, any medical equipment you need, and a minimum 2-week supply of your current medication. If you need any special arrangements, such as kidney dialysis, oxygen, or a wheelchair, please inform your care coordinator in advance. Regardless of your arrival time in Chicago, we offer complimentary private pickup and transportation services from the airport. We also assist with long and short-term lodging arrangements for patients and family members at a discounted rate. While our medical team provides world-class clinical care for international patients, our bilingual and culturally diverse team at the international program offers customized services to meet your cultural, religious, and linguistic needs throughout your healthcare journey with us. Our international patient coordinator will ensure that your visit is as comforting and stress-free as possible. Your care coordinator will be available to you 24/7 as a single point of contact to meet and address your needs before travel, during your treatment at U Chicago Medicine, and even after discharge. These services include scheduling consults and diagnostic testing based on your clinical needs, arranging a certified medical interpreter, escorting you to your appointment, as well as arranging home health services and ordering medical equipment as indicated by your physician. We are fully aware that precise and professional interpretation services is one of the most critical factors for your care. Whenever necessary, we provide medical interpretation free of charge for both your outpatient visits and inpatient care. Most importantly, we only work with certified interpreters to keep the highest standard of interpretation quality. For non-clinical needs, our guest services unit provides personalized services based on individual preferences, such as complimentary transportation for medical appointments, lodging arrangements, assistance with daily tasks, and cultural orientation. Our financial services team assists you with your financial planning throughout your journey with U Chicago Medicine. Before you begin receiving medical care, our financial coordinator will create a cost estimate that shows anticipated charges for medical services based on the medical records received. Please note that final charges may vary, and you will receive your final billing packet that includes all hospital and physician charges approximately 30 days after your appointment. Quality and safety are central to everything we do at U Chicago Medicine. UChicago Medicine is committed to meeting the health needs of you and your family with the most advanced, high-quality care in a safe environment. This has been our commitment since 1927, when our hospital opened its doors to patients for the first time. UChicago Medicine continually works to improve patient safety. Safety stations are spread all around the facility, and staff is required to protect patients from the spread of flu. These are just a few examples of the many efforts to protect against the spread of infection. Even in a global pandemic such as COVID-19, our safety protocols such as mandatory wellness screening at the entrance, universal masking, social distancing practice everywhere, and disinfecting clinical areas effectively minimize the risk of infection. Our legacy has been recognized nationally by healthcare watchdog Leapfrog Group with 17 consecutive A grades for patient safety. UChicago Medicine is one of only 32 hospitals nationwide with straight A's by Leapfrog as of May 2020. Your care coordinator will remind you of your appointment on the day before, while our guest service team will confirm and secure your complimentary private ride to escort you to your appointment. Please remember, you need to bring your passport and all your medical records to the appointments. Once you arrive to our medical campus, your care coordinator will meet and direct you to our Center for International Patients. In order to better assist you, you will be asked to complete and sign the necessary forms. A certified medical interpreter will be available to you to deliver quality and precise interpretation. In order to maintain professionalism, interpretation can only be performed by our qualified medical interpreters. Please understand that patients' family members are not allowed to provide medical interpretation. After your appointment, your care coordinator will assist you with any follow-up appointments needed, as well as filling and delivering your medication right to your doorstep. If you are scheduled for surgery at UChicago Medicine, your care coordinator will provide you with all necessary information and guidelines to prepare you for your surgery. It is very important for you to tell us about any allergies you have. Provide your medical history to us and tell us about any other health problems such as hypertension, diabetes, and obesity, as these issues could affect your surgery and treatment. After surgery, you may need to stay at our hospital for a few days for your care and recovery. Our goal is to make your hospital stay as comfortable as possible. When needed, your care coordinator will handle all preparation for your hospital stay at the Center for Care and Discovery, built in 2013 on the UChicago Medicine campus. Interpreting services, provided either in person or virtually, will be available throughout your stay. All of the inpatient rooms are private, single-occupancy spaces, and are spacious enough to accommodate your family for overnight stays. Our patient rooms are on the perimeter of the building, which gives you more privacy and quiet time as you recover. Other in-room amenities include a flat-screen TV with multilingual menu screen, a reading light, Wi-Fi, and room service. Most patients receive, at their request, room service dining, a special food service program that allows patients to order meals from an extensive menu at accommodating times. Kosher, halal, vegetarian, and other specialty options are available. We also cater to any dietary restrictions you may have. There are multiple chapels in the medical center where patients and family members can have quiet time for prayers or meditation. During your stay at the hospital, you can also experience different kinds of fine arts and music offered by our Healing Arts program. When your doctor confirms you are medically ready to leave the hospital, your care coordinator will assist you in discharge planning, how to move safely from the hospital back home or to another setting. The coordinator will work closely with your care team to prepare your medical records, discharge medication, and equipment. If you need rehabilitation services before going back to your country, we will help you make those arrangements. Your care coordinator will also connect our physicians to your physicians in your home country for proper and necessary follow-up so that you can continue your care after you return home. On the day you travel back to your home country, our guest service unit will support you as you check out from your lodging and also arrange private transportation to O'Hare International Airport. Even after you arrive back at your country, your care coordinator will keep in touch with you regularly to check your health status. If necessary, we can provide remote second opinion or teleconsultation services for you to conveniently follow up with our physicians. It is our commitment to provide the best treatment options and personalized services for international patients who come to Chicago for care. We understand that traveling abroad for care is a difficult decision for you and your family members to make. Our priority is to help you through your healthcare journey with UChicago Medicine and to make Chicago feel as close to home as possible. If you have any questions regarding your visit to UChicago Medicine, please feel free to contact the Office of International Programs. We look forward to meeting you in Chicago soon. Thank you.